Everyone has joined. Ashna, Nas, come and sit. So now I'm going to share the screen. Listen to me. If you want, you can also write the question with answer, or else you can also write the answer. But I will recommend you write question with answer because these are very important for SU1 exam. Okay, so A and B. A and B. Fill in the blank using I, you, he, she, or it. And B, fill in the blanks with the correct option. Within bracket, two options are there. So you have to do it. So better to do question with answer because you are getting sufficient time. Do question with answer. That will be better for you. You can zoom. You can also zoom the screen from your side. Zoom the screen from your side. Yes, Shumon.
मैम क्वेश्चन तो लिखते हुए
That you wish you should write. Better to write question with answer. Otherwise, you can't practice it at home, na? So while in your home you will go to practice it, you can't do it without question. So better to do it question with answer. But anyone, if you don't want to write the question or write only answer, that will be also okay. You can also write question with only answer. Afrin, Nas, where are you, Afrin? Everyone sit properly. Aryan, Rihan, where are you? You will get to see the question paper up to 145. After that, I will stop screen sharing. Yes, Ronak.
मैम एक खाते पर करने पड़ेगा कॉपी पर
ये कॉपी पर करना है. इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज कॉपी में लिखना है.
ओके मैम
But Ronak, speak in English because this is English class. Yes. Yes, Arshi.
आई एम डन मैम
You have written only answer, no?
यस
I said that you are getting sufficient time. Your class timing is up to 150. So you are having lots of time. Also write down the questions also. Arshir, write down the question also.
ओके
Yes, Raisha. No need to tell me, ma'am, I have completed. After a certain time, I will talk to you. And but if you are having any problem, you can raise your hand.
Ma'am,
Yes.
do I have to do it in my English grammar book or in my English
How
copy?
you will do it in English grammar book, because this is grammar worksheet. This page is not from your book. This is English grammar worksheet. A different page. Do it in your English language copy. Okay. Yes, Tirasha.
Ma'am, I have completed.
Student, what I am saying, don't raise your hand. If you have completed, sit quietly. And those who have completed, please write down the question also. Write down the question also. Otherwise, you can't practice it in the home, because these are very important for the essay 1 exam. So you need to write the question also. You need to write the question also. Otherwise, how you will do it again in the home? Solve it with question. Yes, Chonika.
Yes, ma'am.
Any problem?
ম্যাম 6 নাম্বারটা কি হবে?
1 minute. Tell. Dad should open your shoes before entering the room. I will not tell you. Wait. Should open your. We never say that you should open your. You. It will be you, because here it is written that open your shoes. Here it is written that your shoes. So you have to write you should open your shoes. You should open your shoes before entering the room. After 10 minutes, we'll tell you the answer. That time, check your copy by yourself. Yes, Mushina.
Done.
Yes, Mushina.
I have done.
Okay. I am a fast runner. Now check your copy, all of you. He is my brother. Are you coming with me to the market? My aunt said that she she is baking a cake. Why she? Because aunt is a female word. So I applied, I use she. That book is mine. Mine mane my book. So I got it. Eat. Why eat? Because in this sentence we are talking about the book, and a book is a thing. So for thing we use the pronoun it. Dash should open your shoes. You. Rani has a new toy car that is red in color. It is. Torun said that he is not feeling okay. Because in this sentence we are talking about Tarun, and Tarun is a boy. So Tarun said he is not feeling. Shomodip, look at the screen. He is not feeling well. Acha. Dash want to be a doctor when I grow up. I want to be, because here it is already written that I grow up. So write I. Dash are a helpful boy. You are. Because why we will write you? Because we know that in our option there is written you, and we use the be verb are after you. You are a helpful boy. See, in the options I, you, he, she, or it, it is written, and we know that after you we use are, are pronoun, are verb. So I have written you. Now exercise B. My grandfather likes to work. Dash goes to the park every morning. He goes to the park. Because in this sentence, we are talking about grandfather. I had lost my pencil, but my friend found it. Because in this sentence, we are talking about this pencil. My name is Rahul. I am 6 years old. Please shut the door. You are sitting right next to it. My mother likes to cook. She makes pizzas for me. Why she? Because in this sentence I am talking about my mother, that my mother likes to cook. So I have written she. I have a pet cat that is soft and cuddly. Cuddly means Cuddly means the thing that is very soft and covered with fur. So I have a pet cat. It is soft and cuddly. Hope you completed. Hope all of you have completed it. So now check the answer. Completed. Acha, Ifra. Okay, Ifra. Very good. Mushina. Very good. Shumon, you are not doing. Do. Shamprikta, Armin. Shivagni. Arvika. Very good. Arvika, okay. Srishti, Raisha, Swasti. Keep on the camera. Srishti, Swasti, Raisha. Afrin, very good. Arvika, very good. Shampriti. Okay. Not completed, Srishti. Okay, do. Shampriti completed. Take your time. You are you are having 10 minutes. So take your time. Okay, Arvika, very good. Irene, Charnika, okay, good. I have already written the answer, so everyone check it. Whatever you have written, you can recheck your answer with my copy. Okay, Irene, very good. But try to understand, don't copy my answer. Try to understand, as because you have completed the chapter I, you, he, she, all you have completed. And as I said that for English grammar, there will be this type of exercise. Book exercise will not be there in English grammar. In English grammar, bookish exercise will not be there, because I know anyone can solve book exercise, but there will be outside question. Outside question mean for English only, English grammar only, like this type of question will be there. Okay, Arshi. Okay, Deeptha. Good. Okay, Vishani. Shomodeep. Very good.